In this tutorial, we will show you how to adjust padding in content blocks within Articulate Rise 360. First, click the Edit button in the top right corner of your course. Next, select the Edit Content button for the chapter you want to modify. Scroll down to the specific text block where you see extra padding. In this example, we'll use a sample text block. Click the Format button on the left side to open the formatting options. Under these options, find the block padding settings. These control the space above and below your text block. By default, Rise 360 uses 30 pixels of padding, which usually provides enough space. But you can change it to fit your needs. Option 1, choose from preset padding sizes, small, medium, or large. Option 2, for more precise control, click the ellipsis, the 3 dots to reveal sliders. Use these to adjust the top and bottom padding anywhere from 0 to 200 pixels. Option 3, want it exact. Just type in your preferred values manually. You can unlink the sliders to adjust the top and bottom padding independently for a perfect fit. You'll see your changes update live as you adjust the settings. When finished, click the X or anywhere outside the menu to close it. Here's a quick before and after. Notice how just a few tweaks create a cleaner, more balanced layout. And that's it. Now you know how to fine-tune padding in your Articulate Rise 360 text blocks. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.